I wanted to show you guys something because I don't know if I ever did anything on this before, but
You know how you get the frame right in front of this, and it's like a pain in the ass.
to get the little Allen heads in there, and you gotta spend like forever tightening them in. Well, I'm gonna show you a cool little trick with this. So give me 1 minute. And this will alleviate your stripping of these and all that fun stuff too. So give me 1 minute and I'll show you how this works. Just show you what it is. I got this bolt fully engaged into this, so it's in this thing fully. I got a lock washer and a washer, and you just tighten it down. And what makes this so easy is you take your wrench and just tighten it in place. And it's not going to strip your threads out in your block because the bolt is already fully seated. That's it. Done. So instead of screwing around with an Allen key for God knows time, just do that little trick. Super easy. Alright, peace.